Live from NBC Studios in Rockefeller Center in the heart of New York City. It's The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon and Andrew. Tonight's guest is, and here are your hosts, Jimmy Fallon and Andrew.
Thank you, and welcome to The Tonight Show. Jimmy is stuck in the elevator, so you're stuck with me.
It seems like only a few minutes ago you were a tourist wandering the halls of this historic building.
You're right, because I was, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Iris.
Aw, thank you. How you doing, Andrew?
I am fantastic. We've got a great show tonight. Ooh. One of my favorite actors, Jeff, is here, and then we're going to play. Then we're going to play a game. Yeah. Thank you, 30 Rock and Rollers. Heard you just got back from the world tour. Please welcome Jeff. Jeff, how are you? Great to see you.
I'm great, thank you. I'm excited to be here.
So I'm a huge fan, and I'm excited you're in town and for your latest movie. Tell me about it.
Well, it's a big action film, and for the first time, I'm playing the villain, which has been a lot of fun.
Can you look into the camera and show the people at home your villain face? Scary. I can't wait to see it on the big screen. So you are one of the biggest stars in Hollywood with some of the most dedicated fans. We have a letter right here from one of them. Can you read it?
I would love to. Dear Jeff, I remember you from when you were just a tour guest with an NBC Studios tour pin and a dream. I'm excited to see you in your new movie, but my favorite role of yours was your big break when you played a dragon in the show Blue Papaya with Jimmy Fallon. Look at you now, a guest on The Tonight Show. Stay grounded and remember where it all started, the shop at NBC Studios, from your biggest fan.
Wow, that's so amazing. So amazing.
I love my fans.
Well, thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to see your new movie. Let's give it up for Jeff. And now I'd like to invite a member of our studio audience to come and play a game with me. Hi there. Can you tell us your name and where you're from?
Sabrina, and I'm from Brooklyn, New York.
Oh, awesome, Sabrina. I heard you got to take a tour through the NBC Studios here at 30 Rock today.
Yep. It was good.
Okay, Sabrina, let's see how much you learned and play a terrific tour trivia game. And are you ready for your first question?
Yep.
First, 30 Rock has been the home of NBC since A, 1933, B, 1956, or C, 2011?
A.
The correct answer is 1933. Okay, question number two. True or false? The Today Show is broadcast across the street in Studio 1A.
True.
The correct answer is indeed true. Well done. Finally, for all the marbles, which of these shows is not filmed here at NBC Studios? Is it A, NBC Nightly News, B, Saturday Night Live, or C, The Voice?
C, The Voice.
The correct answer is The Voice. Thank you so much for playing, Sabrina. Well, that's all the time we have for our amazing camera crew, our talented control room, and the best sidekick in the business.